So this is how it works. The gantry system on the side, and the frame right here, that's where the wood's going to sit. I'm going to have to build another strut across here for support. But when you look on, that's where the cross beams are going to be. It's not going to be those big pieces of steel. I've got some 1x for it, but if I can find it, it works just fine. Got clearance all the way around, and then when I build the strut coming up, it'll start from here, go up and over and down to there, and that's where the router will be in that imaginary space. But it's really freaking well.